Welcome back to Body Sculpt, your go-to channel for all things fitness and weight loss. Today, we're diving into a popular and effective method called intermittent fasting. It's not just a diet, but a way of eating that has gained attention for its potential benefits. So, let's jump right in and demystify intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. It doesn't focus on what you eat, but rather when you eat. There are several different methods, but I'll explain a couple of the most common ones. The first method is called the 16/8 method. It involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting your eating window to 8 hours each day. For example, you might start eating at noon and finish your last meal by 8 p.m. Then, you fast for the remaining 16 hours until noon the next day. The second method is the 5:2 diet. It allows you to eat normally for 5 days of the week and restrict your calorie intake to around 500 to 600 calories for the remaining 2 days. These fasting days don't have to be consecutive but should be spread out throughout the week. Now that you understand the basics, let's explore why people choose intermittent fasting and the potential benefits it offers. First, intermittent fasting may help with weight loss. By limiting your eating window or reducing your calorie intake on fasting days, it can create a calorie deficit, which is essential for shedding those extra pounds. Second, intermittent fasting can have positive effects on insulin sensitivity. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, allowing your body to use stored fat for energy. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Third, intermittent fasting may improve brain function. Some studies suggest that it enhances memory, focus, and even protects against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Fourth, intermittent fasting promotes cellular repair processes. During fasting periods, your body initiates autophagy, a process where cells remove waste and repair themselves. This can contribute to a healthier body and potentially even slow down the aging process. Lastly, intermittent fasting may have positive effects on longevity. While more research is needed, studies on animals have shown promising results regarding increased lifespan and improved overall health. It's important to note that intermittent fasting might not be suitable for everyone. If you have underlying health conditions, are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. Remember, when you break your fast, it's essential to focus on eating nutrient-dense, balanced meals. Intermittent fasting shouldn't be an excuse to indulge in unhealthy food choices during your eating window. A well-rounded diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains is still key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Well, that's a wrap on intermittent fasting. It's a flexible approach to eating that may offer various benefits like weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, enhanced brain function, cellular repair, and possibly even longevity. Don't forget to subscribe to Body Sculpt for more valuable tips and insights on achieving your fitness and weight loss goals. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and I'll see you next time.